YouTube app for Android rolled out the black theme for everyone. Now you don't need any third-party apps or any computer knowledge to activate dark theme for YouTube. To activate dark theme, first go to Google Play Store and make sure your YouTube app is updated. Now open YouTube, and click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select the option Settings, and select General. Now select the option Dark Theme. Dark theme for YouTube has now been activated. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching.